The Learning Resource Center is a combination of academic support services and resources for students in order to promote student success, learning opportunities, and student retention. The Russell Learning Resource Center is located on the second floor of the Centers building on the Canton campus and has traditional library stacks, a computer lab with free printing, and more. On the Macomb campus, the Learning Resource Center is located on the upper level and has some textbook reserve items, a computer lab with free printing, and more. Both centers are open from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. All students should have access to the Learning Resource Center course on Canvas. This course is designed to give you quick access to the services available to you as a student. Some of the key areas of the LRC course that you would want to pay attention to is firstly, success coaching. Clicking on this button will take you to the area where you can meet your student success coach, of which we have two, one for the Macomb Rushville campus and one for the Canton Havana campus. Your student success coach serves as an advocate to make sure that students are aware of all services, including academic support and college and community resources, so that students have every opportunity to be successful in pursuing their educational goals. So, if you find you're struggling in any areas, reach out to our student success coaches. If you're struggling with studying and you'd like to have more information about study skills, please visit the study skills link. If you are still struggling, reach out to your student success coach. The next area we will look at is tutoring. The LRC offers free tutoring for almost every subject area. Here you will find information on tutor schedules as well as information on how to make an appointment. We offer peer tutoring, students who have been recommended by faculty and have successfully completed the course in which they tutor, and online tutoring through tutor.com. Another area to look at is library services. On this page, you can find information about your librarian, find links to the LRC library website, some of our popular library databases, and library research guides on research, citing sources, and avoiding plagiarism. You will also find our librarian's information and schedule a one-on-one appointment for any library-related assistance that you may need. Our librarian is located on the Canton campus, but does make the occasional appearance on the Learning Resource Center in Macomb. Finally, if you are a student who has accommodations for testing or just need to make up an exam, you are able to click on the Schedule a Test link, which will take you to our testing calendar where you will be able to pick a date and time that you would like to come in and take your exam. We have many more links in areas where the resources that we have compiled to make your academic journey at SRC successful. If you are in need, check out our campus and community services link. Generally, the LRC hopes to be a one-stop shop for our students to find the help and resources that they need. Please let us know if you have any questions, and welcome to the Snapper family.